చేస్తే వేరే వాళ్ళు తీసుకుంటారు. కెమెరా ఆన్ చేసి ఫోటో తీయచ్చు, దాంట్లో రికార్డ్
Yeah, friends, chapati machine is a dream come true for Pyramid Valley. Patri sir has been suggesting that we need to serve hot chapatis to all the visitors here in Pyramid Valley. It's a great addition to the Annadana program we already have throughout the years. And thanks to Patri sir and Patri madam's vision and blessings, today we are able to have this wonderful chapati making machine that has the capacity to make 1,000 chapatis in 1 hour. So we are able to serve people coming, visitors who come every day, as well as large mega functions in Pyramid Valley. So thanks to Patri madam, thanks to Patri sir, and thanks to all the sponsors who have facilitated this machine here today. Now we request Patri madam, chairman of the Annadana committee, who has been instrumental in driving this, to speak a few words.
And I thank to donors, Bindu madam and Srinivas sir, Pradeep, Lakshmi, and all the team. Really, I am very thankful to give this opportunity to serve everybody hot pulkas. That is Patri sir's dream, which is fulfilled. In 1 hour, we can make 1,000 pulkas.
Chapati is not chapati, this is pulka. Pulka is very, very important, very, very tasty.
ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ತುಂಬ ಪುಲ್ಕಗಳು ಇದು ನಾವು 3 ವರ್ಷದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ದಿನ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಮಿಷಿನ್ನ ಪುಲ್ಕ ಇದು ಮಿಷಿನ್ನ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಬಿಂದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಈ ಮಿಷಿನ್ನ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ನಿತ್ಯ ಅನ್ನದಾನದ ಒಂದು ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ. ನಮಗೆ ಮೇಡಮು ಸಾರು ಇದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನದಾನದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಪುಲ್ಕ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದರು, ಅದು ಯಾಕೋ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಡಮ್ಮು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರದೀಪು ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಂದು ಮೇಡಮು, ಸಾಗರ್ ಸಾರು ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಪುಲ್ಕಗಳು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, తినేందుకు ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ఎంజాయ్ ಮಾಡಿ.
అన్నదాన కమిటీలో పత్రి మేడం వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి చైర్పర్సన్గా ఎంతో డొనేషన్స్ వచ్చాయి, ఎంతో థింగ్స్ జరిగినాయి, ఎన్నో థింగ్స్ జరిగినాయి. అన్నదానానికి ఈరోజు రోటీ మేకింగ్ మిషన్ రావడం చాలా 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 మేజర్ ఈవెంట్. అది పత్రి సార్స్ డ్రీము, పత్రి మేడం డ్రీము. సో అందరం చాలా హ్యాపీగా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము ఈ రోటీ మేకింగ్ మిషన్ ఇనాగరేషన్ని. ఇట్స్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు పత్రి సార్స్ విజన్ అండ్ పత్రి మేడమ్స్ విజన్.
వెయిట్
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ దిస్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు ప్రదీప్, దీని వెనకాల చాలా కోఆర్డినేట్ చేసి పీపుల్తో అందరితో పోయి మిషన్ అంతా చెక్ చేసి, శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి మిషన్ని చెక్ చేసి అంతా చూసి అంతా బాగుందని మొత్తం కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయడం అంతా ప్రదీప్ శ్రీనివాసరావు సార్ చేస్తారు. థ్యాంక్స్ టు ప్రదీప్, థ్యాంక్స్ టు లక్ష్మి, థ్యాంక్స్ టు శ్రీనివాసరావు సార్ అండ్ విజయలక్ష్మి మేడం అండ్ నాగా అండ్ సుధాకర్ ఇద్దరూ వెళ్ళి ఒక ఫుల్ డే స్పెండ్ చేసి అక్కడ దాన్ని ఎలా ఆపరేట్ చేయాలి, ఎలా క్లీన్ చేయాలి, ఎలా మెయింటెనెన్స్ చేయాలి అంతా నేర్చుకొని వాళ్ళ దగ్గరుండి దాన్ని ట్రక్లోకి మెషిన్ ఎక్కించి పిరమిడ్ వ్యాలీ దాకా తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ అన్నదానంలో పెట్టడం జరిగింది. థ్యాంక్స్ టు నాగా, సుధాకర్, చిక్కమారి, థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఎవ్రీ వన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಗೂ
Wait.
ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ಗೂ ಪತ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಬಂದಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೊಡುಗೆನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಕೂಡ ಚಪಾತಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನಸಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಚಪಾತಿ ಕೈಲಿ ಒತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೋ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ ಸಲ ಬುದ್ಧ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮೆದಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕಾಯಿತು ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಿಷಿನು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸಾಗರ್ ಸಾರು ಅವ್ರ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ಸು, ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಇಬ್ಬರು 4 ಜನ ಸೇರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಿಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವ್ಯಾಲಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಊಟವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಚಪಾತಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಚಪಾತಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಚಪಾತಿ ನಡೆಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಈಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿದೆ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಬಂದು. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಚಪಾತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ ಅನುಭವಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಊಟ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you, Patri sir. So, dear friends, it's a great moment. So, today in Pyramid Valley International, we have been inaugurating this chapati making machine. So, this machine makes 1000 chapatis per hour. So, it was a long time dream project for us to have this pulka machine in Pyramid Valley. And now, we can have visitors from different states and different countries. So, we are here to support with pulkas along with rice. So this is a great moment, Patri sir. And last week when we had this Pyramid Valley Annadana committee meeting, sir said by next week I want this pulka machine in Pyramid Valley. So in spite of lockdown, with all the efforts from the committee members, when Pradeep went and saw the machine how it was, and Srinivas sir and Vijayalakshmi madam went and saw the machine completely, and our cook, the meditator cook and the staff at Pyramid Valley, Naganna and Sudhakar also have just went to understand the demo about this machine. So now the machine is here. As sir said, exactly in a week's time, it is here in Pyramid Valley, and we are seeing so many pulkas, and it's tasty, sir. It's very nice.
Very.
Yes, sir.
Pulka and avkai, the best combination in the whole world.
Wow. So from today, no curries, nothing. Only pulka and avkai will be served in Annadana.
That's enough.
Very good.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, everybody.
So, dear friends, in the year 2009, we started this Pyramid Valley, in Pyramid Valley, the Nitya Annadana Seva. So, in this past 12 years, we have served about 21 lakh free meals in Pyramid Valley Annadana. So, we do have Annadana every day for all the visitors, residents and the staff of Pyramid Valley. So, it has been a great noble cause, and very recently we also made a newsletter on the Annadana, the activities and the importance of Annadana called the Annadata Sukhi Bhava. So it will be released very shortly, and we will be also posting all the soft copies with all the materials. It has been gathered with all the information. What is the significance and importance of Annadana? So what great people have said about the moral virtues of donating, especially the food. So Patri sir says one can reach a person's heart only through the stomach. And through that we are here. So every seeker who comes to Pyramid Valley, if they come and taste in this Annadana, obviously they go to the next scale. So when I heard, I was really shocked to hear the concept. When a person comes, like for example a meat eating person comes, once he tastes this energy food, he'll become a vegetarian. And if a vegetarian comes and tastes this food with so much of energy in the Pyramid Valley, he will become a meditator. If a meditator comes and has this food, he will become a regular meditator, and he'll become very strong in this spiritual science field. So that was very nice to hear from you, sir. So there's the impact of food.
That is the base. Food is the base. From food, you go to the heart. From stomach, you go to the heart. From heart, you go to the brain. From brain, you go to the mind. From mind, you go to the soul. From soul, you go to the God. This is the way. This is the pathway. From stomach, you go to the heart. From heart, you go to the brain. From brain, you go to the mind. From mind, you go to the soul. From the soul, you go to God. So everything begins at the stomach. Right food. The pulka is very, very tasty. I ate 3 pulkas, even though I had a breakfast in the morning. Sattvic food is defined as food prepared by Sattvic people. There are Tamasic people, there are Rajasic people, there are Sattvic people. Tamasic food is that food which is prepared by Tamasic people. Rajasic food is that food which is prepared by Rajasic people. And Sattvic food is that food which is prepared by Sattvic people. Depends upon the cook. Thank you.
So when a meditator cooks, obviously the energy in the food.
That is Shuddha Sattvic food.
Shuddha Sattvic, wow.
Pure Sattvic. Tamo, Rajo, Sattvic, Shuddha Sattvic, Nirgun. When an enlightened master of food, this Nirgun food, not even Sattvic.
Yes. From past 1 month, we are enjoying the Nirgunic food from Patri sir.
Yes, Baba. Because enlightenment means Nirgun. When a Nirgun master prepares food, that is Nirgun food. There are 5 types of foods: Tamasic food, Rajasic food, Sattvic food, Shuddha Sattvic food, and Nirgun food. Tumba ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. So, dear friends, once the lockdown is over, so we will keep you updated. You can see to us on the website when the Pyramid Valley campus will be open. So, please come down, meditate in this magnificent Maitreya Buddha pyramid and enjoy the food at Annadana. So, our lunch is 12:30 to 2 and we also have dinner from 7 to 8. And whoever would like to come and stay at Pyramid Valley, so we do have a lot of accommodation facilities, so you can stay here, you can meditate for longer hours, and please don't think anything about the food, because when you are into meditation, we are here to serve you. So we would like to welcome you all after this lockdown. Thank you, everyone.
ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನವೂ ಅನ್ನದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಚಪಾತಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಫುಡ್ಡು. ನಾನು ಇಂಥ ಆಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು.